and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are on a 60 bird day at my uncle's shoot in Wiltshire. It's a team of 6 guns, me, my dad, my granddad, my brother and 2 friends. My uncle, who happens to be the keeper, told us to crack on and shoot them as it's the end of the season, so we tried our best to hit a few. I hope you enjoy the video. I'm shooting above the wood in a minute. Oh. Yeah. Good try. My dad dropped this one pretty much at my feet. I turned the camera off and said a few choice words. It was a good shot though. Shot.
Oh, what is that?
Shot.
I've never shot anything like that. Wow.
That was a good one, that.
That was a good one.
I got that on camera.
Is it on there?
Yeah.
Why? Why? That's probably the best piece I've ever shot.
That was a bloody beaut, that.
Yes. I ain't kidding either.
If they come to my left, Dad, over these trees, take them because it's quite thick, alright? Yeah, that's a good bit of shooting, that. Oh, you bastard. Go on, Blake. Yeah, I've got a lot of trees here. This.
I'll sneak down here, mate, with scat. If there's anything.
Shoot them before they get to me if you want, Blake.
Whoa. Oh, stay there, got it. Stop,
Dad, have you had a bit of shooting?
I've had a few. I've dropped one in the pickup, I think.
I've had 4 or 5 now.
I've had 3. To the field.
Oh, too many trees in the way here.
Get ready, Chris. Get ready,
Shot. Fire's a lot of work for one. Go on, Dad. Shot. That was a good one. I tried getting my revenge for the first drive, but ended up just tickling it and my dad folded it up. Shot! I slowed that down! Oh! Go on, Dad. Oh. Oh. Go on, Dad, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming. Bastard. Yeah. I'm with you. Bastard. I got a cockbird there. I got 2 hens out to my left. Oh, I hit that. Move in closer. Unfortunately, on the last drive, the birds didn't want to play ball. It didn't bother us as we had already exceeded the bag, so it was just a bonus drive. Oh. Go on, Dad, shoot on a highlight. Oh. Oh, you got that one. Shots. Dad. I slowed that one down as well. Stu weren't getting away. I think we both hit that end, bird.
You had it, mate. I missed it, but I think.
We got hit fucking hard. I do have a shot at it. Oh. You had that cockbird, didn't you, there?
No, it's Robert.
Was it?
Yeah. Done well, mate. You know he did.
Fucking hell.
Shame, mate. It's a real shame they didn't come out, isn't it?
No, there's fucking loads in there. Like I say, if they all came out, that'd have been a cracking drive.
Yeah. Do they normally come this way, do they? Or?
I don't know. I've never pushed it this way. We should push it over that way.
Which way? Sorry?
That way.
Oh, really? Over the valley?
Yeah.
Well, that's probably what they used to do, isn't it?
Yeah. Just going home, weren't they?
You should dad have one, mate.
Yeah, that was a good shot, that.
You missed it.
Hey? I wounded it, I think.
Yeah.
I think I slowed it down. I got the GoPro footage, so I could check it all later.
Oh, it's air, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Jesus Christ. We all had a brilliant day and enjoyed every second of it. A massive thank you to all the beaters and pickers up that helped make the day so great, and thanks to my uncle for putting on a fantastic day. The total bag was 68 pheasants, 2 partridges and 2 pigeons. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.